So on this 2014 Nissan Altima, there is a noise coming out of the blower when turning the fan on. Let's see if you can hear it. Hear that noise? Yep, goes away when you turn it off. So we're gonna fix that. First, you have to remove this panel, and then second, there is a screw down here. I hope you can see that. There is another one and a third one. Then you come inside. There's one there, one, another one, and that right there. All right, once the screws are all removed, the whole dashboard will look like this. And then now you have clear access to the blower. All right, let's see if we can hear that noise one more time. Hear that? All right, let's do this. So the blower is held up by 3 screws that goes here, up there, and somewhere there. So these are the screws, and as you can already see, there was really, like, debris inside the blower. Of course, that's the reason why this guy was making noise. So let's clean that up.